Hi there, welcome to a new episode of Climax Cinemas. My name is Bhagya and today we are here at Pathanapuram. The star of our show is this house behind me. It belongs to our lovely client Mr. Alex and we've created an amazing theatre for him. The open terrace of this house has been transformed into a theatre using a V-board partition. So come, let's check it out. Constructed with a V-board partition using rock wool for soundproofing, this impressive space spans an impressive dimension of 20 by 14 feet. It is truly a cinematic experience and it has ample space for enough guests. And as you enter, you'll be welcomed with an impressive collection of movie shields and posters, setting the stage for wonders inside. So now, we're going to take a look at CLIMAX Cinemas. But before that, let's also take a look at the exteriors outside. We can see that these movie shields pay homage to our rich history of film, while these posters are backlit and easily swappable. This adds a touch of glamour and intrigue to the theatres. So come, let's check it out. Look at how gorgeous this theatre is. The design of this theatre has been inspired by the grandeur of commercial cinemas, with its elevated slanted layout that gives a sense of depth and immersion. The walls have acoustic fabric and polyfiber wool lining, ensuring optimal sound quality and reducing echo for a truly cinematic experience. The ceiling has PET panels, providing maximum resilience and further enhancing the acoustics of the space. At the front of the theatre, a partition cabinet houses two tower speakers and a center channel speaker that delivers balanced and immersive audio. We've also given provisions for subwoofers. And as you take a seat, you'll notice the minimal design lighting we've done here. This lighting involves recessed lights, spotlights, and exit lights. And these lights have been designed in such a way that it doesn't take the focus away from the main event, allowing you to focus solely on the screen. Beneath your feet, lush carpeting provides both comfort and sound treatment, ensuring that every sound you hear is crisp and clear. And don't forget about the seating. The back row seats are raised by 14 inches for easy viewing, and all 8 recliner seats are fully reclining for maximum comfort. And at the rear end of the theatre, we have a dedicated space that houses all of our active components. Moving on to audio-video configuration, let's talk about the technical specifications that make Climax Cinemas the ultimate home entertainment destination. The projector BenQ W5700 paired with an Elite Screen's 150-inch transparent, woven and acoustic screen, every image is crisp, vibrant and larger than life. The BenQ W5700 projector boasts stunning 4K UHD resolution and DCI P3 and Rec 709 coverage, ensuring lifelike color reproduction and unparalleled clarity. Our home theatre is configured as a 7.1.2 Dolby Atmos setup powered by the Marantz Cinema 50 AVR. With premium 9.4 channel 110 watt per channel amplification, Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, IMAX Enhanced and Auro 3D support, this AV receiver delivers a truly immersive audio experience that will transport you to the heart of the action. The main tower speakers are Klipsch RP8000F2, chosen for their exceptional performance and stunning design. With a frequency response of 35 Hz to 21 kHz and a sensitivity of 97 decibels, these speakers deliver room-filling sound with unparalleled clarity and detail. The center channel speakers are Klipsch RP500C2, which ensures crystal clear dialogues and lifelike vocals. And the surround speakers are Klipsch 500M2 bookshelf speakers, providing immersive surround sound with a frequency response of 50 to 25 kHz and a sensitivity of 92 decibels. Completing the Dolby Atmos setup are the overhead Polk Audio RC80i speakers, which provide overhead details with stunning clarity. And let's not forget the powerhouse of the system, the Polk Audio HTS12 subwoofer. With a peak power of 400 watts and a total frequency response of 22 Hz to 180 Hz, this subwoofer adds depth and impact to every explosion and bass note, ensuring that you feel every rumble and roar. And with the Polk Audio HTS12 subwoofer providing deep, punchy bass, you'll be able to feel the musician in your bones. At the back of the theatre, we have a dedicated space that houses all of our active components, including the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro, Blu-ray player, cassette and CD player, and record player. An inverter ensures uninterrupted power to the projector, so you can enjoy your favorite films without any interruptions. With the Klipsch RP 8000 F2 tower speakers at the helm, music takes on a whole new dimension. Whether it's the delicate nuances of a violin or the thunderous lows of a bass guitar, you'll be able to hear every instrument with precision and realism.
There are dangers beyond our village. What a wonderful day!
CLIMAX Cinemas isn't just about movies, it's also about music. With our premium calibrated acoustics and our extremely special audio equipment, whether you're listening to a symphony in an orchestra or a rock band, you'll feel as if you're right there in the recording studio or concert hall. So, if you're ready to take your home entertainment to the next level, look no further than CLIMAX Cinemas. Contact us today to schedule a demo and experience the magic of home cinema for yourself. We are available all across South India, and we also have an EMI facility. So, watch out for our latest videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.